Silver shortage rumors are everywhere. But is it real or just noise? Well, lately there's been tons of talk about a silver shortage coming back. People say coin shops are completely out of product because the market is getting super hot. In this video, we're going to cut through the hype and show you what's actually happening. By the end, you'll feel way smarter and way more confident the next time you step into a shop or see a scary headline. Let's set the scene. Where are you watching from right now? Today is Thursday, February 26th, New York time. Drop a comment with the day and date you're watching from. I love seeing how far these videos travel around the world. Your comment helps me know who's out there with me. Want more no BS breakdowns like this? If you value this kind of straight, drama-free explanation, smash that subscribe button and comment "You're Alexa Trader" so I know you're riding along. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Free silver coins up for grabs. Who doesn't love that? There's a giveaway running right now for 2 monster boxes of silver coins. No long pitch. Just check the pinned comment for all the details. Don't miss your chance. Head there after the video. The real story is hiding behind the empty shelves. Picture walking into your local coin shop. It's busy in a normal way, not dead, not total panic. People asking questions, small buys, small sells, but the display case looks different. Old dimes almost gone, big famous government coins nearly empty. Bars and generics still there but heavily picked over. Most people see that and scream shortage, but that's only half the picture. Here's the plot twist nobody talks about. The biggest problem isn't that silver vanished from Earth. The real issue is the pipeline that turns messy, real-world silver into neat, retail-ready products is getting badly clogged, and it's hitting shops right in their cash flow. Once you see this, the whole crazy week suddenly makes perfect sense. 2 questions people always mix up. We have to separate 2 totally different things. Is there enough silver in the world overall? Is the exact product I want sitting in the case today? These are not the same question. You can have plenty of silver exist, but still have 0 of what you want right now. The boring answer that explains it all? Refining. Refining is the silent killer right now. Refiners decide what scrap they'll take, what they won't, and how long they'll sit on your metal before paying you. It's not sexy like a short squeeze story, but it's why one type of silver can be everywhere while another is completely gone on the same day. That's the part the internet headlines never mention. Old dimes and famous coins are disappearing fastest. Here's why. A customer wanted those classic old dimes, the constitutional silver that feels like real money. Shop owner, super popular, sometimes stocked, sometimes wiped out. Recently, they had none. Same with big government bullion coins. People trust them. They're easy to explain, easy to sell later, so they vanish first. Internet sees empty spot and yells, "Crisis!" But the real crisis is behind the counter. Ugly silver is where the real pain lives. While customers grab shiny finished products, shops are buying ugly silver. Old jewelry, sterling flatware, mixed worn coins, impure bags. It's real silver, but it needs refining before it can be sold again. When refining slows, the whole loop jams. Think of it like a packed restaurant with a broken dishwasher. Looks great until suddenly it doesn't. Prices jump around and moods flip fast. Sound familiar? In shops, sentiment changes in seconds. 1 minute happy about a dip, next minute stressed because price moved while talking. Live screens turn buying into an emotional event. In jumpy markets, premiums hurt more than spot moves. Always ask both. Official coins fly, generics sit. The herd effect in action. Shops had plenty of 10-ounce bars and generic rounds, but official coins were thin. Why? People grab the trusted labels first. Crowd goes there, empty case. Internet screams crisis. But the bigger, hidden story is always the clogged pipeline. Stop blaming every move on overseas holidays. Global markets matter, but silver trades in a complex machine. Futures, options, industrial hedging, fast money. Don't wait for one reopening day to hand you easy gains. Zoom out. The real tug-of-war is much bigger. Demand is exploding in places you don't see. Silver isn't just jewelry and coins anymore. It's electronics, solar panels, manufacturing, tech hardware. Supply from mines grows slowly. Recycling helps but has real limits. Trucks, furnaces, workers, rules, money, time. A scrap flood can overwhelm the system even when tons of silver exist. Payment delays are quietly killing cash flow. Shops ship scrap, refiner processes, assays, prices, pays. Sometimes weeks later. In wild markets, that delay equals huge risk. Price drops while holding, margin gone. Shops are being dramatic. They're surviving. It's not always can't take it. Sometimes it's won't take it on bad terms. Refiners have capital limits, hedges, credit lines. When volatility spikes, they pull back on messy categories. Not conspiracy, just financial reality. Bottlenecks aren't only physical. Money flow matters too. When fear rises, people buy history. At the big show, collectible banknotes with low serials or cool stories were hot. People buy scarcity and history when they feel uncertain. Hard asset thinking spreads, and silver buying usually rides along. The dishwasher is broken, and it's trapping money. Refining slowdown means shop cash sits in waiting metal. Volatility plus delayed payout equals worst combo for a business with bills. Shops stop buying some stuff, lower bids, demand bigger discounts. It's math, not meanness. Discounts under spot aren't the end of the world. If you're long-term stacking, buying junk silver a few bucks under spot can actually be a gift. Ask yourself, max ounces or easiest resale? Your answer changes everything. Coin versus round. Simple rule everyone needs. Government made with face value equals coin. Private mint, no face value equals round. Same silver, different issuer. Official stays more liquid in stress. Generics give more ounces per dollar. Pick your game, comfort or value. Big shows reveal what people are really afraid of. Demand was strong, prices moved fast. Heavy silver talk means people see it as better value versus gold or a chaos hedge. Fear lights fires, but industrial demand keeps the heat steady. Violent moves bring scrap floods. Great until it's not. High prices equals drawers opened, old sets brought in. Shops buy like crazy, but slow refiners trap cash. Public thinks shop is winning, shop feels the stress. Biggest headache isn't selling, it's what to do with ugly silver. When refiners pause alloy categories, shop money sits in carts that don't pay rent. They make tough calls. Stop buying, pay less, add buffers. It's not disrespect, it's managing the buy now, paid weeks later gap. Take these 3 questions into the shop next time. Ask, what's disappearing fastest? Shows herd direction. Ask, what's discounted? Shows friction, mispricing. Ask, what are they nervous to buy? Shows pipeline clogs. Most people never ask, and that's how they overpay when it gets loud. So, is there still a silver shortage? It depends what you mean. Product shortages? Yes. Mints can't stamp infinitely. Fabrication lags, trusted coins go first. Global metal shortage? No. Huge amounts sit in homes, jewelry, industrial scrap. Prices rise, supply wakes up. What we have is a bottleneck shortage. Processing, financing, logistics. Not no silver left. Got a couple $1,000s? Gold or silver? Shop leaned silver for that budget. More flexibility, more pieces, mixed products, build ounces easier. Gold is anchor insurance, but silver lets you stack more. What would you do with $2,000 right now? Split or all in? Comment below. Pre-33 gold and spot deals. Hidden opportunities. Some world gold sold at spot because buyers chase recognizable domestic coins. Pre-33 historic coins can have reasonable premiums and limited supply. No weight, purity, content. Don't guess. Final truth. Most shortages are just traffic jams. Metal exists. It's just stuck in wrong form, wrong place, wrong time. Bottlenecks usually clear. Refiners catch up, market adapts. But stay sharp. Small frictions can turn into big moves fast. Don't get fooled by empty cases or single headlines. An empty slot doesn't mean the world is out. One headline doesn't guarantee the next move. Ask better questions. Stay calm. The boring parts of the market usually hide the real story. New here? Welcome! Let's build this together. I read every comment. Your questions shape next week's video. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe if this helped. One last human note. Shout out to a dealer friend who took a nasty fall and is recovering. Speedy healing, brother. Get back on your feet soon. That's a wrap. But remember this. This is education and entertainment only. Do your own research. Talk to a pro before big decisions. Keep stacking smart. See you in the next one.